Hello and welcome to the CoPanel demo. We will see how to get started with CoPanel for a typical interview. At the onset, the candidate will have to go to copanel.online. This is the website and we will join the interview from here. Let's click on the button at the top that says Join Interview. This will take us to the interview page. Once the candidate is on the interview page, they will enter their interview ID and click on the button that says Join Interview. This will open the CoPanel platform on a new window. Once the platform is opened, first-time users will be prompted to trust the workspace. Select the checkbox that says, Trust the authors of all files in the parent folder CoPanel, and click on the button that says, Yes, I trust the authors. This will prevent the same pop-up in subsequent sessions. Next, the user can select the color theme. The most common ones are shown here. We will choose the dark mode and click Mark Done. Now we are on the home page of the CoPanel platform. Thank you for your interest in CoPanel. For more information, please visit us at copanel.online or shoot out a mail to sales@copanel.online. Also, please follow us on social media to stay on top of the latest updates from CoPanel.